Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Adam, and welcome back to Lahitro Bank. Today, we're talking about something that's honestly next level, Agentic AI, and how businesses are using it to create actual autonomous digital workers. If you've ever asked yourself, can AI actually do things on its own? Like plan, take action, and follow through? Then this video is for you. We're gonna break down what Agentic AI really is, how it's different from the basic AI you already know, real business use cases, the tools that power it, and even how people are making money selling AI agents. So stick with me, because this is practical, real-world stuff you can use today. Alright, so let's start simple. What is Agentic AI? Agentic AI is basically AI that can run on its own. You give it a goal, and it figures out the tasks, plans the steps, takes action, and learns from whatever happens. It's not just answering questions or following a script. It's more like having a small team of digital workers that can coordinate, adjust, and make decisions. These systems usually have memory, short-term and long-term, so they remember context, past actions, and important details. And they can work with tools, APIs, databases, so they're not stuck inside a chat window. And the term agentic basically comes from agent, something that can act. These AIs don't just respond, they do things. Here's the quick difference. Regular AI, reactive, prompt-based, no memory. Agentic AI, proactive, goal-driven, autonomous. So yeah, it's a big upgrade. So why does this matter so much for businesses right now? First, efficiency. Agentic AI can handle full workflow start to finish, not just analyzing something, but actually taking action on it. Second, scalability. Instead of one assistant, companies deploy a whole lineup of agents, research agents, sales agents, support agents, all working together. Third, proactive decision-making. These agents don't wait for instructions. They monitor what's happening, spot issues early, and fix them before humans even notice. These systems also learn continuously. They get better with time, which means fewer mistakes, smarter decisions, and smoother workflows. And honestly, this has become a strategic advantage for companies. It's no longer about automating tasks. It's about automating intelligence plus action. Let's talk about where this is actually being used. Super AGI is a huge example, an open-source framework for building autonomous agents. It supports multiple agents, integrates with APIs, stores memory in vector databases, and gives you a dashboard to monitor everything. Businesses are using it for things like automated sales outreach, a CRM data cleanup, or research and reporting, email automation, monitoring day-to-day operations. And that's just one framework. Other real examples include customer support. Agents identify patterns and support tickets and can automatically open help articles or trigger fixes. Fraud prevention. Agents monitor transactions and instantly block or flag suspicious activity. Supply chain. Agents track inventory, shipments, demand forecasts, and take action like reordering or rerouting supplies. Business intelligence. Instead of just generating reports, agents automatically update dashboards, send summaries, or trigger workflows. These aren't future ideas. Companies are already using them right now. So how do people build these digital workers? The big one is LangChain. It gives you agents, tools, memory, and all the building blocks for planning and multi-step reasoning. Then you've got Super AGI, which is more of a complete platform. You can run agents at the same time, monitor them, and scale them. For non-technical teams, there's Auto Agent, which lets you create agents without code. You just describe what you want, and it sets everything up. And if you want agents that get smarter over time, there are frameworks like Agent Lightning, which use reinforcement learning. And finally, tools like AgentScope help with governance, safe execution, sandboxing, logging, all the stuff you absolutely need once you go into production. Now, as amazing as all this sounds, it comes with challenges. Hype versus reality. A lot of companies are calling regular automation agentic AI, even when it isn't. The space is super new, so there's a lot of noise. Cost. Running autonomous agents isn't cheap. You're paying for compute, memory, vector databases, APIs, and costs can spike if you're not careful. Governance. If an agent makes a bad decision, who takes responsibility? That's a serious conversation happening right now in the industry. Reliability. Agents can drift if memory or tools are set up poorly. They need monitoring and feedback loops. Scaling. Running a bunch of agents at once needs real orchestration, logging, and debugging. If you plan to sell AI agents as a service, here are real pricing models. 1. Usage-based. Open source tools like Super AGI are free, but client pay based on API usage. 2. Setup fee plus monthly. Common model is setup $3,500 to $6,000, or monthly $500 to $1,500. Free tiered packages, basic, advanced, enterprise, based on memory, autonomy, and SLAs. 4. Performance-based. You take a percentage of the value you create. High reward, high responsibility. The key is thinking like a software business, not just a developer. Pricing, support, and monitoring matter. All right, let's wrap it up. Agentic AI is the next big shift. These systems don't just reply, they act. Businesses are already using them to build digital workers for sales, operations, support, and more. Tools like LangChain, Super AGI, Auto Agent, and Agent Lightning make it possible for anyone, technical or not, to build these systems. But yeah, you also have to think about cost, safety, reliability, and how you package it if you're turning this into a business. If you got value from this, hit like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below on what's one task in your business you'd let an AI agent handle today. I love to hear that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.